is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for whale. X for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching my video.